Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。Hello，
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。真的好冷哦 ，It's getting cold and colder and colder because it's December. So let's teach you this phrase. 好冷哦，
很冷哦，
很冷哦。Now, when it's cold, of course, there's a lot of things we can do. 其实我们每次讲到冬天的时候啊，可以做的事情有什么？吃火锅啦。如果可以去赏雪也不错啊。台湾
就已经够冷了，还要去赏雪？
不，就是因为冷才要赏雪，才会有它的目的性嘛。但泡温泉，
对呀，
哇，这个到处台湾都很有名的啦。
然后大家一起泡。
That's right. So going to the hot spring is such a regular and popular thing to do during wintertime here in Taiwan. Let's teach you a scenario like this, okay? 天气变好冷哦。The weather became so cold.
天使边都很冷哦，
天使边都很冷哦 ，OK， 天使就是
天气了，
天使下来了，哇，好漂亮！
前面就有一位啦，
也是，你就是我的天使，哎呦，好恶心哦！好了，回来，等下天气就是天使 ，OK，that means weather， 天使。Next line，OK， 对啊，好想去泡温泉 ，That's right，I want to go to the hot springs。
嘿呀，
东
上去洗温泉。
东上去洗温泉 ，OK， 温泉就是温泉啦。然后呢，温泉 that means the hot spring。那洗这个字是洗，
就是洗啦，
也是洗，不过它就是泡温泉啦。对 ，OK，got it. So 洗 means to wash, but also to soak yourself in the hot spring. When you say 洗温泉。And 冬天泡温泉最享受了，对不对？Let's use that phrase. Oh yeah, to soak yourself in the hot springs during wintertime is the most enjoyable thing. Okay, and it really is. If you haven't tried it out, you should try it. Okay.
很甜洗温泉。
很甜洗温泉，
清香舒哦，
清香舒哦，清就是最舒服了哈，香舒，
香舒就是享受，
对，很享受 ，it's enjoyable。香舒 means to enjoy， 清香舒 that means it's the most enjoyable thing to do。And winter is 冬天就是很甜。And seriously, go try it out, okay? But let's review some of these phrases, such as the weather, 天气，
甜死。
And then the hot spring, 温泉。But to 泡温泉 to soak yourself,
洗温泉。
And finally to enjoy, 享受。
香舒。
And it's all about the phrase this month, 好冷哦。很冷哦。All right, 赶紧要约去泡温泉了哈，舒舒服服一下。That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
是母胎嘎。
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.